Mama is sleeping again. He's waiting for Daddy to, but Ethan's gonna feed him right now. I told Ethan to feed him. Yeah, he's always guarding me here. He sleep there. He doesn't want to go inside because he fights with Slick. Makakita gani na siya koan, pero iyang aw-awon na dili ko no magduol-duol din ha. Wawa also, wawa. He likes staying there.